Hey traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, and I wanted to go over a trade, actually a couple trades that we made last week in cocoa futures. Because I think it's good to be able to go over trades, and I do get a lot of questions, do I have any example trades and stuff like that. Well, this is two of them. Um, a couple weeks ago, we ended up getting short on the 26th of March, right here, 2800. We had a stop right up here, and we were looking for a move lower. What we did is we ended up taking partial right up here, a 20-point partial, and then we ended up getting taken out right over here. We were moving our stop down and got taken out right here. Price obviously came up a little more, and then it came down. So yeah, we missed that part of the move. But trading is really about being patient, being able to pick your trades, being able to get into your trades, and be able to manage them in a way where you actually do make money. This trade on the downside, we ended up $1.75 to 1 risk reward ratio. I don't know what I was doing with the blue color there. That didn't really work. But 1.75 to 1 risk reward ratio, which gave us $700 profit. Now, if you're trading more contracts, obviously you're going to make more money. But, the great thing about this trade is we were able to get in right here on the 26th, and right here on the 27th, we ended up getting taken out of the trade. So that's one day, we made $700. That's not that bad. And seeing that we made 1.75 reward to our risk, that's not the best, but I can live with that. That's over a 1-to-1. It's not quite a 2-to-1, but trading is never perfect. So those people that say, oh, all of your trades need to be a 2-to-1 or 3-to-1, it's really a bunch of bullshit. And most of those people aren't really traders anyway. Maybe they work for a company that gives trading advice. Okay, that's great. Do you actually trade? Oh, you don't? Oh, okay, I'm sorry about that. That's usually how it works. Most of your people on TV, are most of them traders that give the financial advice? No, they're not. They work for a company to give advice. Yeah, they might trade in their own account. Maybe they do, maybe they don't. I know for a fact some people on TV are in a certain position and they give a different position on television. Do most people do that? I have no idea. I know that a couple people have. But I'm not one to talk about names or anything like that. But, in showing what we do, I feel it's good to talk about what's out there and, what's going on. Could we have kept our stop up here and made a little bit more? Yes, we could have, in theory. But it is what it is. Once your trade's over, it's over. It's on to the next one. So let's get on to the next trade that we did. And that was down here. We actually got in right here. This was the close of the 31st. And I put out a video. It usually comes out about 5 to 7 o'clock at night. Cocoa opens up in the morning at 4:45 in the morning here. What we did is I said I want to get long at 2,700. I'm going to get long, and our stop is going to be 20 points below. Okay, So it actually gapped down below our price, which was interesting. Then it came back up, hit us. We got filled, and price chopped around a little bit, and then it just took off to the upside. This is pretty cool. Well, our first target was at 27.70. Got hit. Bam. So we took 70 points there, and then we just played with our stop a little bit on the remainder position. The numbers I'm giving you, I'm going to assume one contract on this first position at 27.70, and then one contract on our remainder position. And that position we got out, interestingly enough, and I didn't plan it this way, at 2,800. But it makes for a better video, I think. But we actually did get out at 2,800. We waited, price actually bounced up here, and I said, okay, this is good. If price is going to continue up, I want to be a part of it. But, I want to mitigate my risk as well. So 2,800 is going to be the stop. And hours later, we got stopped out. And that's the best kind of stop out you can get, is when price stops you out and you're in the money. You're in profit. So we took 100 points there. So that's 70 points plus 100 points is 170 points. And let's draw this out for illustration purposes. We made 4.25. I know I draw like a first grader, but it is what it is. We have computers to type on, but I feel it's more fun and you get more out of it if it's a video. So that's why I'm doing it like this. And I get more practice with my writing, so perhaps my handwriting will improve. Probably not though. But anyway, we made 4.25 reward to our risk, which is phenomenal, which is very, very good. And that equated to $1,700. So we made $700 here. We made $1,700 there, which $2,400. If you're trading more than one contract, obviously you can multiply that into something else. You're trading 10 contracts. Let's say you're trading 5 on each side. You can do the math there. If you're trading 20 contracts, 10 on each side, you can do the math there. And that's what trading's all about. Once you grasp it, once you learn the methodology, you scale it, and it just turns into something phenomenal. So anyway, I wanted to share those trades with you. Hopefully you did enjoy that. Thanks for watching. Have an awesome, awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you back here in the markets. Thank you.